2022, we published our latest biodiversity report, Doing the Right Thing for Nature. You can find this on our website. Our intentions were clear when we wrote our biodiversity report, and that is to safeguard our environment for future generations to come. This aligns with our biodiversity strategy, which outlines our aims, our missions, and our ambitions for 2050 and beyond. We know that there is a biodiversity crisis here in Wales, and that's why we are committed to nature recovery. Through this, we have invested over £800 million between 2020 and 2025. Some of this investment has been spent on small-scale enhancement projects, but all of this helps with nature recovery. Through our care packages, we have installed bird boxes, bat boxes, and also promoted wildflower meadows across our sites. We know the work has only just started in the nature recovery. We need a Team Wales approach, so that is why we are working closely with internal colleagues, external stakeholders, our regulators, local community groups, and our customers in making sure that we safeguard our environment for future generations to come.